Hi, and welcome to the Checkpoint Protector 20. Today I will describe some of the enhancements we made to the protector with this new release. In the Alert Center box, you will see that we have added 3 new items. One is the email queue, one is the system status, and the third one is the CPU load. We had decided to add them to keep under control these aspects which we consider fundamental for the health of the protector and of your network. Now, you will receive alerts when the length of the queue of incoming mails becomes too long, or when the number of items in the system status that are not green is too high, or when the CPU load exceeds 50% too many times. And just like every other item in the Alert Center, you can keep under control these new items by just clicking on the meter or clicking on Alert Status on the menu, and in the Advanced menu, going to the Alert Center menu by doing these functions that you have here. For example, customize thresholds. You can of course customize also the thresholds for these new 3 items. Here you are. If you want a detailed description of how the Alert Center works, I suggest you to watch the presentation video of firmware 18.5. In the Alert Center menu, you will find a new function that allows you to recalculate threshold automatically. The protector comes with a predefined set of values for thresholds, and these values usually fit most cases, but may not fit yours. So, you can have the freedom to change them either manually with the function to customize them, or automatically through this function. This function works with the historical data collected by the protector, recalculating thresholds from those data, so it can be used only when the protector has collected enough information to work. Therefore, you have to wait at least 30 days after upgrading to firmware 20 to see how this function works. Now, if I recalculate thresholds, this is the message that I receive from the protector because there is not enough data to calculate them. After 30 days, all the new thresholds will be recalculated based on the historical data, and automatically all the meters will turn to green. In this page, you will see a detailed description of how this function works and of the reason why this function should be used. Next feature is the LDAP authentication in the web filter menu. If you use the protector as a proxy with or without a web filter, and you are in a LAN environment with an Active Directory server or Open LDAP server, you can use the protector for a user-based access filter to the proxy and to the internet. You have to set up your Active Directory or Open LDAP server, then you have to set the correct configuration parameters here in these fields, and finally you have to set up your browser to use the protector as a proxy on port 8080. For now, the protector offers basic authentication, but we have planned to add at least another type of authentication. When all the parameters have been correctly configured, users will be prompted for user ID and password on their access to the internet. So now you can define web filters based on group names as they have been defined on the LDAP server. If we go to see the group policies, here we can see 2 groups which have the same name of group names defined on my LDAP server, and these are the names of users. For more details about LDAP configuration, you can read the LDAP guide that you can see at the link in this page. Last function I want to talk about is the backup. You will find it in the advanced menu, backup. This function has been totally redesigned to fit needs of backup for safety reasons or backup for migration to a newer unit. You can create backup, and this function will save the backup file to one of the folders of your choice. Then when you want to restore from a previously saved backup on the same or on another unit, you can browse for the same file you have previously saved, and then you can start a restore. And here you can see the restore function working. This process will take a few minutes, but may depend of course on the size of data to restore. At the end of the process, the protector will restart services, and once the services have been restarted, the restore is complete. Well, this presentation is finished. Thank you for following me up to this point, and see you next time. Bye bye.